So hello guys, welcome back again. I have plugged my laptop into the power. So let's go on from where we were. Uh, we um we talked about this IFVG quickly, and we talked about this buy side liquidity, and we talked about how price is printing on that IFVG. You if you could grade it from uh its upper point to the lower. This is the consequent encroachment, the center of it. You can see how the candles price is printing using its candles. It's hammering. The wicks are doing the damage. You can see the wicks are doing the damage. Very huge damage because it's coming for this liquidity, and it's it starts going higher for this buy side liquidity. Um, If you can hear a lot of noise in the background, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I'm still living in a rental apartment, and you're gonna hear every kind of shit out here. So you have to bear with me. Um, and so we're gonna put back this. Uh, so this is specifically the 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 price print that I want us to tape read and hear. Uh, I said earlier I'm gonna put it in like a playlist so that anybody who wants to do something extra might actually go through this video because this happened a long time ago, and this is back testing. This is not um a recap on what happened to the market previously. I hope you understand that. Um, so we will quickly go lower to the 1 hour time frame, and we're going to see what happened here. um okay, so goddamn, so goddamn, we can see this here. Obviously, if we are going to print higher, we're going to use all the PD arrays that are on this delivery, on this side of the bearish delivery, and they're going to be used as inversions, inverse, and they're gonna be used as inverse PD arrays. And we can actually see that I have graded these here. This is a 1 hour BC, 1 hour BC. No, it's a CB. Sorry, it's a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And this is also used as an IFVG, which is used to push price higher. I'm gonna put it with that. Um, so we can see that I have pointed out that this is a balanced price range. Why did I say that? Um, we are gonna focus with tape reading price from here because I wanted us to use these IFVG. Remember this IFVG, the brown painted area um in the 1 daily time frame. Sorry. Um, so you can see price printed to the lower part of this IFVG, this one here, and what happens what happens with balanced price ranges? Price doesn't doesn't need to come back to fill this imbalance. Why imbalance? Why? Because it it just um it just it just it just filled those orders that were here. It just filled all these imbalances with just other imbalances. So price was balanced. I don't know, even for even. I don't know I don't know how to say that, but price actually its imbalance those imbalance were quickly filled, and there wasn't need for price to retest these imbalances again. So we can see that price are printed uh, strongly with its kind of with its bodies candlesticks bodies hammering um on top of this 1 hour BC. um we're going to go through the 1 hour first, so that it's gonna be fast, and we're not gonna have to keep on like switching to lower time frames. So first I'm going to explain how price is printing using the 1 hour time frame through that range of date that I gave you. So we can see that we had buy side liquidity here, price hammering on that BC, and where I trade is actually from 7 to 12, and you can see that we already have price is already giving itself up. Price is already prepared for those who know what they are doing, and it's going to be marvelous because you already know what you're doing, and what you're doing is that you're using imbalances as PD arrays and inefficiencies, and you're targeting liquidity. So you can see that when you target these buy side liquidity, price is doing what it's supposed to do, from money imbalance, from rebalancing to a random 1 hour busy, and hammering, just blowing up this buy side liquidity. That's crazy. That's crazy. And these minor buy side liquidity, it's not left. It can be left. Remember, guys, the market wants money, and it just has to take money. He doesn't care whether you are right or wrong. The market wants to do what it wants to do. And the algorithm is fucked up, bro. The algorithm will wipe your ass up. You gon' you gonna cry your ass up if you don't know what you're doing, bro. Just just be here with me, and I'm gonna teach you how to deal with the markets. And you're gonna listen to what I'm gonna say. You're not gonna listen to what other motherfuckers are saying out there, because this is this is the truth, bro. This is what has taken almost all of my time. And I know my English ain't that good, but I'm trying. And I don't give a fuck about that. What I give a fuck about is me teaching you, bro, because I love you. And all the problems that we went through when we was young, and you know how we suffered, and all those stuff that we went through, bro. If money could buy back our happiness, this shit is this shit is gonna buy us back our happiness. And I want you to focus, alright? I want you to bring yourself here at this moment that I am speaking to you. I just want you to understand that I have walked my ass up to know what the algorithm is doing, and I just think that you should just let me explain to you what is happening. And I'm not gonna explain to you what is happening without you giving me your complete attention. And the moment you just understand what is happening in the market, you know, don't even watch my videos again. And I'm not gonna post no videos again. You I'm doing this for you. And if you understand this, I will not post again. I am just giving the public access to the fucking knowledge that I learned, and I don't give a fuck if you want it or you don't. I am putting it up for my bro. So fuck you if you think that I don't give a fuck about you. Go fuck your ass up. I don't give a fuck about I don't give a fuck about whatever you want, man. Go work your ass up. Go get a job, bro. I don't give a fuck about you. I give a fuck about my brother, my blood brother. And that's who I am teaching right now. So, oh my god, I'm sorry, man. Oh my god, I'm gonna blow up on these accounts, man. I'm sorry. So, we have this social liquidity here. Price doesn't leave it, goes, uses this 1 hour BC, and immediately runs up to convert this liquidity into cash. Motherfucker, you could take that advantage and you could make cash with it. You understand? But it needs patience. Um, so we're quickly going to through the immediate time of before the market before seven, so that we can understand where the market is going to go to starting from 7 to 12. So we're going to go kind of slightly through what happened before 7. You understand? All right. So we also have this here. Remember, price rallied up all this motherfucking shit in the evening, and price just opened somewhere here. I have not put other PDRAs like new day opening gaps because I am you can see the website that I am using is from Xness, and Xness didn't pay me. Xness didn't pay me to advertise them, and Xness I have no I have no partnership with Xness. I am just using their website, and I think it's good. It's you should try and use it because when you don't have TradingView Premium, this is kind of good alternative, and it's better. But it's fucked up because on TradingView you can um quickly point out the new day opening gap, but in these actions I don't know why they print price, man. They fucked up with that shit, but it's good. All the other things are good. I can show you the narrative of what the market is doing, but not to the accuracy because price printing is different, and sometimes these motherfucking brokers manipulate price. So you gotta understand that this is CFD trading, and it's fucked up. But we we know what's happening, so we don't give a fuck about that. Yeah. Um, you don't have to have TradingView Premium to do this because remember in TradingView Premium there's limited amount of bars that you can go back to, and not like this. You can go to any the beginning of uh, prime freeze, printing of price. Um, so that's why I'm not putting out the new day opening gaps. Otherwise, they would have been very, very, very useful because they usually give a very good narrative of what's gonna happen. But this is still good, and you can just follow it up through here. So pointing out this 1 hour BC. Um, also pointing out this 1 hour BC. You can see that. Also pointing out this 1 hour BC. That's before 7. That's before 7. Remember? And I have this buy side liquidity and I have this sell side liquidity. So I'm gonna directly see where price is taking me to. What's it doing? What's it doing? It's pinning lower, then it's We're using these imbalance to create another imbalance on top of that. That's an IFBG, an inversion fair value gap, and price just tells me, bro, we gotta go hard. Damn, we gotta go hard. We gotta go hard. We have to go hard. What we want to go? Why do we want to go hard? To convert these motherfuckers into cash. I guess you can see how your all your ass being eaten up by the market, bro. If you following up and you haven't been doing the right thing, you can follow up like how you've been doing shitty things in the market, and you can understand why supply and demand doesn't fucking work. Support and resistance doesn't fucking work, and it's all fake. Those motherfuckers are fake. They don't trade shit. I've been to channels um and in Telegram, and nowadays I understand what's happening to the market, and I wanted to fuck with some people, and so I wanted to see what they're doing. Um, this guy called Kenyan Prince, and what a this other motherfucker called Sammy Boy Kenya, and another motherfucker called Flossie, and I don't know. I don't think I got another motherfucker. Those motherfuckers be trading supply, and they be drawing stupid shit on their charts. They You are over leveraging, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Listen, I say if you want to understand this shit better, stop over leveraging. Stop risking more than 0.5% of your account. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Those motherfuckers are just trading 20 pips and 5 pips, and they showing you $100,000 on their phone. They flexing because they got rich. Motherfuckers, they ain't rich. They eating from your sweat. Those motherfuckers ain't doing nothing. And the moment that you understand that this is truth, and you accept that this truth is going to make you profitable, when you also respect the fact that you have to you have to manage how you have to manage risk, you have to manage your emotion, you have to manage, I don't know, you have to manage yourself, you have to go through growth. You don't do it in one day. That motherfucker can be done through one. No way, bro. That no, no. You cannot just wake up and think that whatever shit I am teaching you here, you can use it one day and know what's happening. No, you have to go through a lot of understanding shit. But if you just understand these technicals that I am taking you through, you are ahead of 80%, 90%. All those motherfuckers that do stupid shit. Because when I started with that stupid shit, and it took me down to hell for 2 fucking years. 2 fucking years. I've been clinging to unprofitability and still saying I'm a trader. And fuck that shit. Fuck you if you taught me supply. Fuck you if you think you gonna just go to YouTube and type um beginners trading journey, and then you gonna see the truth. No way, bro. Don't do that shit. Just, I don't know if you come through this account and you are listening to me. um I want you to know that you have to slow down and understand that whatever I'm saying here, I also have to slow down and understand it. And by me showing you what I understood doesn't mean that I am perfect. No, I am not perfect. So we are the same. We see the same things. And if you learn to see these things, we are going to be the same. Yeah. So you can target more during this session because it sits on top of consequent encroachment of IFBG there. Remember this zone? This one here? Yes. And